Are you interested in getting a lockpicking kit but don't know where to start for yourself or for somebody in your life? Check out this video. Let's jump in. Welcome to Gator's Gift Guides for Geeks. Let's first off talk about what's in the box. So this is a kit from Covert Instruments called the FNG kit for the freaking new guy kit. With that, let's go what's inside of the package to start off with. At time of recording, this is November of 2024, and when I picked up this kit, it was $9 plus shipping. So it looks like you can go through and use a coupon code for a certain amount off, which is great. Along with that, we've got a couple other things in the package, including a transparent lock and key and a couple lock picks. So let's open up this transparent lock real quick and take a look. So at this point, it looks like it's a 5-pin. So there are 5 pins along inside there with the springs. You can actually see everything inside, which is great for somebody getting started. And you've got 2 sets of keys here, so we can just verify this actually works. You can actually insert the key and see how the little pins go up and down along the way, and it pops open fairly easily. So great, let's go ahead and pull the keys out, and let's get into what else is in the box. So along with that, you can go through and pull apart the container for all of the lock picks and the turner tool. You can pull this apart. Nice thing is these are all individually wrapped. It has a short hook, a wave rake, and then a double-ended turning tool. So the cool part is, and you're not going to get anything scratched up with this being in shipping because it's all individually wrapped. So you can pull these out as a starter kit for $10. This is fantastic to be able to get yourself started, and or you can go into other kits later on. This is the short hook, and one of the things I will say that I love about these is that when you're actually feeling the metal edges here, it is triple layered, but this is not sharp. With the cheaper kits that you feel that you can get off like Amazon and whatnot, or this is also the wave rake, they can be sharp on the edges. These are smooth, so it's not going to cut into your hand when you're working with them, which is great. And then we've finally got the double-ended turning tool here. And just to show you, there is a little notch in this one, so it can fit into smaller areas, which is great. Then you flip it over to the other side, and that's the full side. So let's get into the hands-on demonstration of this. And with this, while I am not the lockpicking lawyer, don't claim to be, I went through and did this all within 5 minutes of being able to pop these things open. But there are plenty of tutorials on how to do this. I'll link you to it, but those clicks that you're hearing is the pins getting into the right spot, and as that happens, then after you hear it, it'll pop it right open, which is great. So that's with the short. Let's go ahead and use the wave. This one is a little bit off screen, but I prefer the short pick personally, but after a couple times of readjusting my hand here, and right off the camera of course, it pops right open. So with lots of practice, you can get this done. I suggest watching a couple of videos that I'll link to get yourself started with this. And in conclusion, for the $10, this is an awesome kit. Go check out Covert Instruments. They've got lots of other lockpicking kit sets, but for $10 and looking for a gift for somebody to get started in lockpicking, this is a fantastic set. I do suggest go pick it up. And if you like, subscribe, and I'll get more content online just like this. If you have any questions on this, let me know, and I can see if I can help answer it. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.